Welcome to another episode of Eclectic Revelations. Today we're breaking boundaries and merging worlds in our exciting new segment, Tech Tastes. Imagine combining cutting-edge technology with the art of cooking. We're here to explore how futuristic gadgets transform traditional recipes. Let's dive into the kitchen of the future. Meet our culinary companion, the RoboChef 3000. This high-tech marvel is not just your ordinary kitchen appliance, it's a game changer. Watch as it flawlessly executes complex recipes with a touch of innovation. Now let's spice things up by blending different music genres in our next experiment. Jazz meets electronic, classical meets hip-hop. It's a symphony of sounds you never thought could harmonize. Join our eclectic jam session, where musicians from diverse backgrounds collaborate to create a sonic masterpiece. It's the unexpected collaboration you didn't know you needed. But wait, there's more. We're taking it a step further by infusing our cooking process with the rhythm of our musical fusion. Cooking has never been this entertaining. Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through the unexplored territories of tech tastes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to spread the eclectic joy. Until next time, stay curious and keep reveling in the unexpected with Eclectic Revelations.